Alright, so Operator Doki doesn't have a mic, so I'm gonna have to talk for both of us. Oh, a guy already? Alright. Only 99% of the players can beat me. You thought. Alright, oh, people. Alright, I'm just gonna place that. What are you shooting at? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you shooting at a wall? Stop. Alright. Another one? Pop. Alright, easy kills. I could pickaxe him. He took my kill. I'm a little bit triggered. More loot. Alright, this is a fat rip for this guy. It's a 2v1. Oh, sorry. 70. Oh, he actually did a lot of damage. That's a lot of damage. I'm late to the battle, so, you know, I'm sorry. I left them battling the other two. Alright, oh wow. He pushed me. Oh my god. Alright. Okay. Let's pop. He's so low. Alright. That was pretty easy. Oh, a big pop? No, he doesn't need it. Why is this guy ramping into the wall? Alright, he has no shield. Alright. Ooh, look, I'm gonna take that.
Why you bully me?
Yeah, he gave me it back, but he could have the purple one. He only has a blue one. Alright, so these guys really want to shoot at me. Okay, alright. My friend's here, so okay, they're pretty much screwed. Oh, easies. Gotta dance on him. I got him. I had to, guys. I'm sorry. Oh no, he didn't come inside the pyramid. That's not good. Oh, nice right here. Okay, my friend's right behind him. Alright, he took my kill. I took his kill. We're kind of fair now. Rocket launcher. Alright. Oh, there's two, right? Where? Okay, right there. Nope. It's covering it. Oh, sorry, I put it doki. Let me see. Oh, okay, this guy's not good. Oh, Operator Doki is super low right now. Okay. Don't have a rocket launcher anymore, so I can't drop. Wait, how did he get? Oh, there's two. That makes. Oh, he scared me. He scared the crap out of me. He just came from under me. Oh, is he gonna buff us? No, he's under us. Wait a minute. Pop. I kind of took a kill right there, but it's okay. Anything else? Okay, that's one down. So this guy's left. No shield. All right, that was pretty easy. Is one more guy? Oh yeah, one more guy. He just killed the other. Okay, so it's one. Oh, whoa, lag. I mean, I am playing in the servers. He does live really far away from me. That's why whenever he plays in my servers, he lags like crazy. Whenever I play in his, I lag like crazy. But it doesn't matter. We still get those. Let's go. GG's. That guy was pretty sweaty. He tried though. GG's. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.